पश्चिम बंगाल और ओडिशा में चक्रवाती तूफान दाना के टकराने से पहले हाई अलर्ट जारी कर दिया गया है। भारतीय मौसम विज्ञान विभाग यानी कि आईएमडी ने पूर्वानुमान लगाया है कि चक्रवाती तूफान दाना 24 अक्टूबर गुरुवार को लैंडफॉल करेगा। इस चक्रवाती तूफान का असर ओडिशा के साथ साथ पश्चिम बंगाल में भी देखने को मिलेगा। चक्रवात के कारण ओडिशा और पश्चिम बंगाल के कई हिस्सों में तेज आंधी तूफान के साथ बारिश होगी। भारतीय मौसम विज्ञान विभाग ने पूर्वानुमान जारी करते हुए कहा कि एक चक्रवाती तूफान जिसे दाना नाम दिया गया है, ये चक्रवाती तूफान ओडिशा तट से टकराएगा। 24 अक्टूबर तक इसके तट पर पहुंचने की उम्मीद है। आईएमडी की ओर से ओडिशा और पश्चिम बंगाल के साथ ही देश के कई अन्य राज्यों में भी बारिश का अलर्ट जारी कर दिया गया है।
It has intensified into a depression at 5:30 hours IST of 22nd October, and it is laying over east central Bay of Bengal, and it is around 730 kilometers southeast of Paradip, 770 kilometers southeast of Sagar Island, and 740 kilometers southeast of Khepupara, that is in Bangladesh. And it is very likely to move west-northwestward and intensify into a cyclonic storm by 23rd October over east central Bay of Bengal. Thereafter also it is likely to continue to move northwestward and intensify into a severe cyclonic storm over northwest Bay of Bengal by morning of 24th October and cross North Odisha and West Bengal coast between Puri and Sagar Island during night of 24th and morning of 25th October as a severe cyclonic storm. At that time, wind speed will be around 100 to 110 km per hour, gusting to 120 km per hour.
तो चलिए अब जान लेते हैं कि आखिर कितना खतरनाक है दाना। दाना चक्रवात के कारण पूरी, भद्रक, केंद्रपाड़ा, जगत सिंहपुर और कटक में 100 से 110 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से हवा चलने की संभावना है। मौसम विभाग ने पश्चिम बंगाल के पूर्वी मिदनापुर, पश्चिम मिदनापुर, दक्षिण 24 परगना और उत्तर 24 परगना के तटीय जिलों में भी भारी बारिश का अनुमान जताया है। पारादीप और हल्दिया बंदरगाहों को अलर्ट पर रखा गया है। वहीं ओडिशा में भी इस तूफान का अलर्ट है। ऐसे में राजस्व एवं आपदा प्रबंधन मंत्री सुरेश पुजारी ने बड़ी चेतावनी देते हुए सावधानियां बरतने को कहा।
Cyclonic depression, and the cyclonic storm coming to Odisha coast nearby. So how
it is around 730 kilometers away from Paradip, and after landing at Paradip it will move towards Puri and cross the sea and perhaps reach West Bengal or Bangladesh. Around 9 districts are very vulnerable so far as the impact of the cyclone is concerned. Odisha government has made all preparation to ensure that the people are moved before the arrival of this cyclone to all relief centers. 250 relief centers are already ready to accommodate people with all type of facility like drinking water, like cooked food, like power supply, like urinal latrines, both different urinal and latrines for women and men. Backup power supply has also been provided. The telecom department is also on the job to ensure that the telecommunication service is not disrupted. The health department has also positioned itself to ensure that the persons who will be shifted to the relief center are provided with health care as well as treatment. Another 500 additional stopgap makeshift shelter has also been prepared to accommodate the people who will be evacuated, and they will get themselves accommodated in the relief centers as well as the makeshift relief centers. Hopefully, the chopper from the center will also land very shortly in Bhubaneswar. The additional NDRF team have also started moving. ODRF team are already on the job in the is on the spot for their relief and rescue operation. The fire services officials are also on the position to help out the people at the time of heavy rainfall and cyclone. So in all respect, the Odisha government is ready. In addition to the preparation made, we have also started locating officers who had worked in the vulnerable district in the past in different capacity as ADM or as collector or as BDO. We are also making a list of those officers who worked in such a situation in the past during filing, during Hudhud, during Titli cyclone. So they will also be made available to the vulnerable district where they had worked earlier to assist the district administration to ensure that the relief and rescue operation is executed perfectly in Odisha.
So which are the vulnerable district which is likely to hit that?
Naturally, from Paradip to Puri, that includes Kendrapada, that includes Jajpur, that includes Jagatsinghpur, that includes Baleswar, that includes Mayurbhanj, that includes Puri, and also we are prepared for the adjoining district in the event of any deviation of the cyclone so far as its direction and intensity is concerned. The adjoining districts may also be likely to be affected. So we have not only made preparation for the district on which the cyclone will move, we have also made preparation in the adjoining district also.
Sir, you are in regular touch with district collectors, so what is the direction for them?
To position themselves, they have already positioned themselves. Officers have already positioned themselves. The next 72 hours will be 24/7 for all the officers, all the government officers. The leave of all the officers and employees have already been cancelled. They have all been asked to join on duty immediately, and all of them will be positioned on the spot in the affected area.
And the evacuation process will begin by evening. What do you think? So,
I think the movement of the people from the possibly affected area will start today late in the evening.
so Odisha government is all set to tackle this.
Odisha government is all set to face all type of situation and also prepared to render all type of help that will be required by the affected people during such a situation.
तो चलिए अब जान लेते हैं कि आखिर किन किन जिलों में हाई अलर्ट है। ओडिशा के भद्रक, बालासोर, जाजपुर, केंद्रपाड़ा, कटक, जगतसिंहपुर, रायगढ़, गजपति, गंजम, कंधमाल, नयागढ़, खुदरा के लिए अलर्ट जारी किया गया। वहीं मौसम विभाग ने यह भी कहा है कि 24 और 25 अक्टूबर को कोलकाता, हावड़ा, हुगली, उत्तर 24 परगना, पुरुलिया और बांकुरा जिलों में भारी से बहुत भारी बारिश होने की संभावना है। तो फिलहाल इसको लेकर आप क्या सोचते हैं, आपकी क्या राय है? आप अपनी राय कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा। वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें।
न्यूज नेशन अब व्हाट्सएप पर खबरों के ताजा अपडेट के लिए न्यूज नेशन के इस QR कोड को स्कैन करें।